Hey everyone! So if you watched the last video, Alan did a traveling flip and drag. So he challenged me to do the same painting with the same colors. Silly boy. So I'm going to try it. Oh, I need a little more white, I think. So I'm going to use the same colors that he used. And they are Craftsmart Pewter Metallic, Lucas Indigo, Craftsmart Midnight Blue Metallic, and Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. I'm going to use a 5-ounce cup. I'm going to spray it first. Give it a little wipe out. And I think you put them in this order. So, light blue, midnight blue, indigo, and pewter metallic. And we're going to flip it. We're going to poke a hole. And now we're going to just drag it through the white around the canvas. I'm going to release just a tad of suction. Give it a minute to rest. Give it a quick torch. And I don't wait for anything, if you know me that well. So we're just going to go ahead and start tilting. And get all my paint here in the middle. I'm really liking this, so I think I'm going to go this way first. Now remember, that white paint is a base paint, so the consistency is thinner. So we are going to get some zigzagging going on, but that's part of the design, and that was the challenge, so I have to play along. It's going to be very slow tilting because we didn't use a lot of paint. So I think when we put these up on Etsy, they will be a pair. His and hers. If he sells his. So we are working on varnishing, and Alan has several paintings that he's going to put on Etsy. He's already picked the ones that he's wanted to keep, so I think his looks better than mine. I'm going to see if I can bring some of that zigzagging down. Yep, I think Mr. Welch was the winner on this challenge. Let me just wipe my hands, I'll give it a quick torch. And that's going to be it for that one. Here's your close-up. So there you have it. His and hers traveling flip and drags right here. So thanks so much for watching. Check out all the links below. Check out our Facebook page if you haven't already liked our page. Please do so. And you can ask us questions there. Our fan mail post office box is 863 Youngsville, North Carolina 27596. Shop with us on Etsy and Redbubble. Buy your supplies with us through Amazon. And as always, we carry the Stone Coat Art Coat code. It's CWA all in caps. Use it at checkout. You'll get $30 off an $80 order. And thank you for supporting the channel. Our donation link below is through PayPal. Any donations that you make, your name is submitted into our quarterly sponsor giveaway, and that will be coming up November 1st. And we'd really like to see everyone partake in that. We have some great prizes coming up, and also our 50,000 subscriber giveaway will be coming up soon. So share the videos, share our channel. The sooner we get there, the sooner we do our giveaways. So we're really close to 40,000 right now, and we're probably there as you're viewing this. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.